Morning, y'all. Steve-O in the hizzle. Out here on the Tennessee River this morning, catfishing, of course. It's Monday, July 27th, about 8:30 in the morning. We got frozen skipjack for bait. Whoa. Almost littered. We're at the bottom of that channel transition. About 40 something foot of water. There's a creek bed that runs up through here also. I've had some good luck in this area the past few trips, so of course I'm gonna come back and try again. Skipjack head on this rod. Gonna suspend fish again this morning with my baits a couple of feet off the bottom. Got some good ones out here last week and the week before. Hopefully they're still here. There's tons of bait fish all over. Schools of shad. I should have brought my cast net. I threw out my skipjack rod. I thought some of them might have been skipjacks, but I didn't get a bite. Of course, I didn't do it long either. I wanted to get out here and catfish. Another head piece on this one. I put a body section on that one. Body section on this one. Here we go. It's about sunblock 30. My skinny white legs will fry out here. Fishy, fishy in the river, come and make my pole quiver. I've enjoyed catfishing pretty much as far back as I can remember. Growing up, all my buddies, they like to bass fish, stuff like that. And I was always just intrigued with catfishing. I always used like chicken livers or dough baits, stink baits and all that, all that jazz. Channel cats is about all I caught. A few years ago, I got really into it and started Googling YouTube videos for catfish. And I found local guys like Catfish Dave, Kayak Catfish, Lee Wayne Outdoors. I was like, man, those dudes know what they're doing. I started using more cut bait and fresh bait, catching skipjacks and getting shad and using bluegills, just natural baits instead of all that stuff you get from Walmart, which I enjoyed, but I never caught big blue cats and flatheads till I started using cut bait or live bait or natural bait in the river. Ain't nothing like it. I fish all the time, every weekend pretty much. My weekends Monday and Tuesday, which makes it awesome because there's usually not too many people out. I've gotten a lot bigger and better fish since I switched and started watching those videos and learning how to actually catfish. And I enjoy watching the local fishermen. I watch some guys from all over too. I watch everybody, but my favorites are the local guys. Gatorade 30. Not as good as beer 30. Cheers. Oh yeah. Finally. Finally got a fishy. Maybe. square hook. Little bitty fella. Got the skunk out though. Yeah! It's barely hooked. Look at that bait compared to him. Little bitty feller. It's alright. I like catching the little bitty fellers too. Let's let him go. Oh yeah! Got the skunk out. Get the bite. Yay! Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Finally, another one. It's about time. Come here. Come here, you. Come here, you. Heck yeah. That same skipjack body section. Another dink. Scarred up from the spawn. Skinny fella. Hang on, I'll let you go. That was fun. Number 2. Let's let him go. Oh yeah! Get the bite. He's got it. He's got it. Oh yeah. Got another one. Danged old channel cat. Feisty little channel cat. Little old channel cat. Let's let him go. What a good day fishing. We got 3 cats. It was a beautiful morning to fish. I appreciate y'all watching. Catfishing with Steve-O. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.